Hi everybody, this is CR number 12, helper video number 3. It says simplify 7 times -3 plus a -15. Well, this should bring back some memories of integers. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do order of operations over here on the side, PEMDAS, which all of you should be familiar with. And if you're not, you need to make sure you are because this will affect you through high school. The first step is the P, which is parentheses. If you'll notice, I don't have any. These look like parentheses, correct? But there's only one term inside, so I don't have to take care of anything inside of those parentheses. Those parentheses actually mean that the negative is going to stay with the number. That's the only reason those parentheses are there, so I don't have to do anything with the parentheses. So check. Exponents, I don't have any, so check. Next, multiplication, division, depending on what order they come in. So if I go left to right, I do notice I have a multiplication here. So that's what I'm going to handle first. Positive times a negative is a negative. 7 times 3 is 21. And then I just bring down the rest, plus a -15, because I have not taken care of that part yet. So I'm done with multiplication and I'm done with division. Now I have addition and subtraction working left to right. Well, notice I have this double sign here. And remember, plus and negative is really the same thing as just subtracting. So I have 21 negatives, and I actually have 15 more negatives. So what I'm going to do with these two numbers is add them, because if I have 21 negatives and 15 more negatives, I need to find the total number of negatives, which in this situation is 36. So my final answer is -36. Good luck to you guys.